Now reporting questions. So how the questions is changes into the reported speech. Let us see. When we change a question into the indirect speech, there are some rules here. So here we follow that. We use a reported verb like ask, question, inquire, what to know, wonder, etc. So here next, all the direct questions can be changed into statement. So which are the questions we are using that change into statement? There are two types of questions, yes or no type state questions and information questions. So here WH words question, when, what, which, where, that all comes under WH word questions. So here WH word questions are information seeking questions. When these information seeking questions are reported, the question words are conjunction. So here the WH words are into conjunction. Now reporting questions. So here how the conjunction that is used, by seeing these examples we can know here. So here, how is your health, said Dr. Kiran to patient. So whenever, so in sometimes it's come before or it comes after. So here the question comes from here and it comes at last. So here what comes? So how is your health? So here is the question, said Dr. Kiran to patient. So we have, this is in the direct form, so you have to convert into indirect form. So here you should come first. So here Dr. Kiran, here said is used, so it has been changed to ask. So Dr. Kiran asked a patient how his or health was. So here it is an indirect speech. So here next fifth one, you see, when yes or no type questions are reported if whether is used as a conjunction. So here if or whether as used as a conjunction, before that has been used as a conjunction. So here you see example, Devi said to her friends, are you interested in teaching? So here when we see comma and apostrophe means here it is in a direct speech. So here Devi said to has been changed to asked her friend. So if or whether she was, here is are you is changed to she was interested in teaching. So this comes under indirect speech. So here you see whether is used before or when an alternative is suggested in the direct yes or no type questions. So here example, I said to my son, do you want to do BTech or BSc? So here I, it comes under comma apostrophe is there means it comes under direct speech. So here I said to has been changed to asked. I asked my son. So here whether is used no. So here whether he wanted to do BTech or BSc. So these all are reported questions.